Now I want to introduce the new navigation cells which were shown earlier in the presentation. Like the example model in EA 13.5, our bookstore project here opens by default to a diagram like this one. Each of these boxes here are what we call navigation cells. They're a nice way to visualize links to other diagrams. So you can use them to create a launch pad, if you like, into other parts of your model. Say, for example, you want team members to be able to jump straight into the business process model. Using nav cells, as we've done here, they can click the appropriate cell and jump straight into the process model. Simply double-click the cell, and here's the process diagram for our bookstore project. I'll locate that in the project browser. So right-click, find in project browser, and there it is at the left of screen. Well, how do you create navigation cells? And how do they apply to our model review scenario? Well, remember, Scott created a review diagram for our application design over here in the project browser. So let's open that now. So this is the review diagram, and I wanted the team to have ready access to this diagram when they first open the team model. So to enable that, I placed a navigation cell for it here on my starting diagram. And of course, I'd set this launchpad or starting diagram to be the model default. That is the one EA opens up when you first load this model. Well, let me delete this navigation cell now and recreate it so you can see how it all works. From the project browser, I hold Control and drag the diagram node onto my open diagram. I choose Navigation Cell when prompted, and then I assign an appropriate image for the tile. And this one here will do. Now my team members can simply double-click the navigation cell to drill down to the review. So I double-click now, and there's my application design review diagram. Now the ProCloud server allows me to have a separate startup diagram specifically for WebEA as well. For this project, I'm just using the same nav cells for my desktop and mobile users. You can see the two diagrams are exactly the same. So let's see how this starting diagram works in WebEA for our mobile users. Here's the same startup diagram I just configured, but now shown in WebEA. In the web interface, you don't have the hierarchical model tree, so the nav cells really take on that role of model navigation. So users simply tap or click the tile of interest to drill down. And doing that, here's our review diagram.